Wiping your KeepKey device is similar to performing a factory or master reset on your smartphone. A wipe will bring your KeepKey device to its original system state by erasing all of the information stored on the device. So before wiping your KeepKey, make sure you have your recovery sentence. This is the only backup of your wallet. Once your KeepKey is wiped, your keys and wallets are deleted. The device is restored to its blank state. There are several circumstances in which you may consider wiping your KeepKey device. For example, you may want to set a new PIN, set a new label, initialize a brand new wallet with new keys, or recover your existing wallet. Here is how to wipe your device. Plug in your device and open the KeepKey client. You do not have to log in. Click on the settings icon in the top left corner. Select Wipe Device. Confirm you want to wipe with your device. You have wiped your device. Remember, a factory reset should be performed with caution as it effectively destroys all data stored in the unit.